Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Paul, owner of All Things Sewer and Drain Care. You can look up our website at allthingsdrain.com. We're at Fisher's Island Ferry today, out here in New London, and we are doing some downspouts, as you can see here.
Okay, you see these downspouts that come down and they connect into this 6-inch drain that goes down into the earth. Well, what this does is this drains out into the ocean. So there's like a dry well in the bottom of all these pipes of stone. Now what happens over the years is sand and the granulates of all of the gutters and everything and the shingles comes down, and it goes into the sand and it packs it, and it enables it not to be able to work. So what you have to do is you have to jet it out, flush all that sand out, suck it out with a vacuum or whatever you can suck it out with, and then it'll start flowing again. We come out here and we maintenance this once a year at least. So when you have an issue like this, downspout drainage, underground, whatever it may be, give us a call. You can look us up on our website, allthingsdrain.com.